You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin filter that you'll find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. You should now be able to access the flange of the cabin filter located on the bottom of the windscreen. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 4 screws holding the windscreen frame. Then, use the same tool to unscrew the first 3 screws holding the cabin filter flange. Close the bonnet. Now remove the windshield frame. Open the bonnet. You can now unscrew the last 2 from the cabin filter flange using the Phillips screwdriver. Lift the flange up. Then remove the filter. Before putting the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new filter. Put the new one in place, taking care to get the right direction for the flow of air. The arrows should be pointing downwards. Retighten the 2 screws that hold the cabin filter flange. Put the windscreen bay back in place. Then screw on the 3 screws that hold the cabin filter flange. Finally, retighten the windscreen frame, retaining screws. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.